Okay. Hi everyone. Good afternoon. This is Srikanth. Today I want to explain about software development process. And these topics I want to explain about software, what is software, and what is the difference between software and hardware, how it will be deliverable. So one, and this success is most important when we want to deliver something. So what are the success? Means when we deliver the software, we want some success. So how it will be success? I want to explain about this in the development process. How we will develop the software? What are the main points in there? Okay, first of all, I want to explain about what is the software. Here, software means it's one of the program, the various types of the program which will solve the problem in the computer or anything, in the phone or anything. Okay, this is about the software definition. Now, I want to explain about the hardware. What is the difference between the software and hardware? Simple definition. Software is the invisible and the hardware is the visible. What the problem? For example, the hardware is the computer. Computer is the hardware. The software is the Windows. So, one difference between the software and hardware. Okay, this is about the software, and now I want to explain about the deliverable. How it can be deliverable. So, one product, every product, so it's deliverable. When we develop the software, we can deliver to the customer in the two ways. Within the software, like we are getting the phone with Java or Android or in anything. This is software. One of the success, one of the deliverable. Next, another is by the documentation. Documentation is deliverable between the developer and developer. One developer to another developer. This can be executed in another form and it will be result. Who are developing the software? The person is called a developer. Who are developing the software? Next, success. Success attributes. Success attributes when we develop the software, it must be success. Without success, there is no use of developing the software. So, for example, we say that if any person will success in their life? What are the reasons? They can achieve their own goals. For example, they are doing the masters and they get the good grades. That is an example of the success. And in software development process, success means it will be deliverable in time. Okay, it will deliver in time. In time means customer want the product in 2 days. We deliver in after the 3 days. What is the use of that developing the software? So that is the in time. In time deliverable is one of the success in software. And coming to another one, requirement meets requirements. So requirement means the customer want what the customer want to develop in that process. Without the requirement of the customer requirements, what is the use of by developing the software? So we want to follow all the requirements which the customer wants. So now I want to explain about the development. This is the development process. First of all, for example, in the civil engineer want to build the house or construct the house. First of all, you want to for first process, you want to about the what the material we want. First of all, we want to understand about that what the material we want. That is nothing but the requirements gathering. That is nothing but requirements gathering. Okay, first of all, you want to require all the material, and after you want to design, and after you will implement that. In the same way, the software, first of all, you want to develop. In the software, the first process is gathering the requirements, and after the design is the more important. It's nothing but the plan. Okay, coming next. After one is implementation. It work or not. When it is not working, you want to develop more and solving with errors, and again we will develop and implement and testing. Finally, we will get the result. That is about the software system development process. Thank you.
Do you have your questions? Okay.
So what is the difference between hardware and software?
Hardware is visible thing and software is invisible game.
Next, which step is more important for the software development?
Designing.
Huh?
Deliverable.
Yeah. What is the importance of software nowadays?
Start the computer to use.
Without software, we even launch a system. You must have a Windows or Mac system, right?
Okay. Without software, we can't imagine the world.
Yeah.
Okay, that's right.